One of the main things that I'm working on this summer is gathering information about how we're recycling at all of our different assembly and distribution centers, so that's been really cool. And then I'm also looking at our pump refurbishment process, so recycling old pumps and just trying to make that more efficient. I've already talked about them with potential full-time opportunities, and so that's definitely could be very impactful if that's the route that I go down. But I think the leadership experience that I've gotten and just the project work that I've been doing has been super helpful and really applicable to the skills that I've learned in the classroom. And so that kind of translation has been pretty smooth, and I think that'll be really helpful for me moving forward.